Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is ByLaureen. Welcome to my channel. On this channel we do Polygel nails, we unbox products and we review products. Please stick around, like and share my videos, okay? And to our returning subscribers, you are welcome back. In today's video, I'm about to do these lovely blue nails. These nails came out so well. Please like, share my videos, okay? I'm just pushing back the I just pushed back the cuticles. I'm gonna go with my sanding band to take out the shine from the natural nail. Whenever you are doing this, be very careful because this thing can cut the person's skin. So I'm going to dust the nails, then I'm going to go with my cuticle cutter to cut our cuticles. I do this because it prevents lifting. So guys, this is the nail tip I'm going for. This is the one I'm going to use. I have my marker glue, so I'm just going to start sizing the nails and then applying it on it, okay? I apply the false nails on our natural nails, so I just apply my glue and then place it on our natural nails. Make sure you size the nails from sidewall to sidewall so that the tip is not bigger than the nail. So after applying the tips on the nails, I have my cuticle cutter and my magnet measure. I'm just going to use it to measure the length that we're going for and then cut it. We are going for short nails this time. So I'm going to go with my hand file just to shape the tip of the nails. So I'm going to go with my sanding band to take out the shine from the false nails. So guys, I have my nail primer, I have my extra bond and my Madame GLAM base coat. So I'm just going to apply them on the nails. I'll apply my nail primer. I'll apply my extra bond. I'll apply my base coat and then cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, this is the polygel I'm going to be using, the Beetles polygel. It came in pack of 6, so I'm using the two colors. This is the blue color and the glitter. So guys, these are the colors that we have inside the box. I'm going with this dark blue and this glitter. So guys, I have a design that I'm going to create here and this one. So this blue is going to go to these nails, this one and the thumb, okay? This polygel is very dry, so I really don't like a dry polygel. So I like polygel that is hard and smooth. This one is not smooth, it's very dry. It's hard, but it's very dry. I kind of don't like a dry polygel, but it's okay. For the price, it's okay. So I'm just applying my polygel now. After applying it, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I just apply the first layer because I'll use the other layer to create an apex, just to make sure I have a better polygel application. So you smoothing out your polygel and then cure it for 60 seconds. This is what we have, and I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm going to apply the second layer to the nail and then I also cure it for 60 seconds. So now we're going to start from the cuticle area and just apply it down to the tip of the nails. So guys, I'm going to create a marble on this nail. So first of all, apply my clear on it, a very thin layer of clear polygel. and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So now I want to create my marble. I'll take some of this blue color, take some of the white color, and then I'll mix both together. I have my blooming gel. I'll apply my blooming gel on the nails because it's going to help it spread. I have this tanning brush. Now I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Guys, I'm going to apply my clay on it. So guys, I'm going to create another design on the ring finger. Just have a little polygel here, the blue color. Then I'm just going to press it down the nails. Then I'm going to have another one here, same color. Then I have the glitter one. I'm going to apply it here between these two blue. So I'm going to add some glitter to the nails. And then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to apply a clear polygel on the nails. So guys, I was filing the nails. I didn't know it wasn't recording. I just discovered it wasn't recording. I'm sorry. I just filed the nails already. I'm applying my top coat on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I thought my phone was recording, but it wasn't. But you guys know how I do my filing anyways. If you don't know, you can go watch all that videos. You can watch all my other videos, and then you'll see how I do the filing. And this design is a very simple design. Just apply my top coat, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I have the gold flakes here. I'm just going to apply it on the nails. So guys, I have my cuticle oil. I'm going to apply it on the nails. So guys, this is the end of this beautiful nails. These nails came out so well. Hope you understood this tutorial. Please, if you do, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you'll be the first to get notified. Like, share, comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.